Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because today's video is being sponsored by bareMinerals, where I will be showing you guys how to do this makeup look that is perfect for the summer because it is very natural, clean, very glowy, perfect for all day because it'll last you all day. And the perfect products for this look, my loves, is that I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the bareMinerals Original Loose Mineral Foundation with an SPF of 15, so it's obviously sun friendly, and also the bareMinerals Mineral Veil Powders. I freaking love these two products because if you guys actually didn't also know, is bareMinerals is actually the first brand to have ever launched a mineral foundation. And the great thing about this mineral foundation is it has amazing ingredients that are really great for the skin that you can actually even sleep with this foundation on because that's how amazing the ingredients are. But also not to mention, it's like I said, it's gonna last you all day. It's not gonna clog your pores. It feels very lightweight. It feels like you don't have anything on your skin. And then also we have the mineral veil powder, which is so amazing too because it is going to really like make your skin so flawless, like a very soft focus finish, because it's gonna smooth out your fine lines and also make the appearance of your pores kind of disappear, if you could say. So I really recommend these two products, and if you guys would like to purchase them, I will have links below in the description box so that way you guys can check out. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this whole makeup look using these two products too. So yeah, I hope that you guys are excited for this video, and if you guys are, then stay tuned. But before we do jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and join the Birdie family, and don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way every time I upload new videos, you guys can be notified. But yeah, with that, my loves, if you guys would like to know how to recreate this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm not naked. Let me just say that. Let me clarify that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face using just a smoothing primer. So I'm going to apply this all over my skin. Now, before going in there with my powder foundation, I'm going to actually apply my concealer. So I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Concealer. We want our face to be as radiant as possible, so this concealer is perfect for this makeup look. So of course I'm going to be taking my bareMinerals Original Loose Mineral Foundation and then the SPF 15 in the color Light. So this is the one that I'm going to be using, my loves, and I'm going to be applying it with my beautiful finish brush from bareMinerals as well. So this is how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face now. So something cool about this foundation is it has 5 pure ingredients, and this makeup is actually so pure that you can sleep in it, which is so amazing. It has a buildable full coverage, so you can definitely build it up to your full coverage that you like. It has non-chemical mineral SPF of 15. It looks super radiant and luminous, so it's perfect for this makeup look. And also, not to mention, it feels very lightweight, like you barely feel it on your skin. The great thing is also that it's perfect for summer because it can last you all day without clogging your pores or causing any breakouts. And it has this like very smooth, radiant look of a liquid foundation, but it still has the breathability of a powder. So now to set everything, my concealer and pretty much basically again this foundation, I'm going to be using my bareMinerals Mineral Veil Powder, which looks like this. This is such a beautiful powder, and once you apply it, you guys are going to become obsessed because it just gives the look a very airbrush look. Like it just minimizes the fine lines, the pores, everything like that. And also it just feels really weightless on the skin, so you don't even feel it. And then also, not to mention, it absorbs all of your oils, and it has a very soft focus effect, so it's like photo ready type of finish, you know, so it's perfect like if you ever want to take pictures and things like that. But yeah, I'm just going to be applying this all over my entire face, just setting everything. Also, something great about this is that it's also formulated without parabens or sulfates. So now that we're done setting our face, now we're going to move on to our bronzer. So just take your favorite bronzer. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply this where I normally always apply my bronzer. So now taking my blush, I'm going to use a coral type of peachy looking blush just so I can apply it on the apples of my cheeks. So now I'm going to take a pretty golden highlight. You just want to use one that's like very like sun-kissed type of look, you know. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the highest points of my face. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm going to prime my eyes using this primer from bareMinerals. This is in the color Undressed, and this is an eyeshadow slash primer, so you can actually just use it as an eyeshadow if you wanted to, but I'm going to use it as a primer, so I'm going to apply this all over my entire lid. So for my eyeshadows, I'm going to use the Latte palette from bareMinerals. And the first shade that I'm going to take is this one down here. This one is called Solstice, and I'm going to be applying this on my crease. Okay, so now my next color is called Destiny. It's this one up here. It's super, super pretty. So I'm going to be applying this all over my entire lid, especially in the center, just concentrating it there. So now taking an actual glitter liner, I'm just going to pop a little bit of this in the center of my lid. Very, very little, just to make the eyes pop even more and make it look very beautiful, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this in the center of my lid. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara and also apply my falsies. You can completely skip the falsies if you don't want to and go more of a natural look. But you guys know me, I love my lashes. So I'm going to pop on some lashes after I apply my mascara. While my lashes dry, I'm also going to apply a little bit of Solstice underneath my lower lash line. So I'm just going to apply this on the bottom. And taking my highlighter again with a smaller brush, I'm also going to pop this on the inner corners of my eyes. So now for my lipstick, I'm going to take a peachy type of color and just apply this. And then I'm going to apply a gloss. You would want to use one that has a little bit of shimmer in it just so it could like make it more, you know, appealing to the whole look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. All right, my love, so this is the final look. This is how you will end up looking super, super glowy, as you guys can see. So I really hope you guys like it. As always, don't forget to check the description box so that way you guys can go check out the links below for all the products that I use for today's video. And as always, if you guys are still not part of the Birdie family and you guys would like to join, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way every time I upload new videos, you guys can be notified. But yeah, I think that's it, my love. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.
Good. All right.
Yes! 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 Oh, wait. Oh, powder. Oh my god. Does this not break your heart, you guys? Like, okay. I'm happier now.